Alright, y'all take a trip with me to use this manual auger snake drain. Angie boy, you gonna help? Angie boy just walked out the door, he just gonna help. Alright, come on. Let's go do this. Come on, Angie. Big lug. Look at this dude. Huge. Him and Gucci are the two biggest boys I've ever had. Eat your butt in there, boy. Alright, y'all know I'm a journeyman electrician. Well, got a few plumbing buddies, and they had me go to Arts and get this self-propelling. So you plug it in. That's why I got an extension cord. Got some gloves. Plug it in. Pull this out yourself. This is forward. This is reverse. You have to hold reverse down to get it to spin. And there's a foot pedal. I'll show y'all how to use it once we get in there. But all my drains are clogged. The toilet and sink in there will not flush. And you start at the closest clean out, closest to the clog. My other clean out is outside. Don't mind the messy bar area. Here's our issues here. So we started this clean out. We'll see what we can get done. If not, the other clean out. If nothing happens, then I have to remove the toilet and never use one of these on the toilet because it will absolutely break it. And here it is for roots. It's the auger bit for roots and tougher shit. So let me get it set up and get it going. I'll be right back with y'all. Sometimes it's getting clogged up like that. When it does, that's how you know to push through. Look at that, you put a little weight. And that's how you know it's going through it. See, it all went down. That's all there is to it, folks. I'll try to flush it at the end. Do gotta bring it back out first. Try. Check us out now, baby.